All right, so now we've added our tuna, you guys. Again, this is 2 cans of the bigger tuna, and we're just gonna mix this in. Can you get a little bit of that over there? And once you mix it in, everyone, then we're gonna go ahead and add some more cheese and pop this into the oven. But you know what? Before I even do that, I think I want to add some more vegetables. Now, with tuna casserole, the good thing about it is you can add as many vegetables as you like. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and pop in here some green beans with the sweet peas. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. And we'll put some more cheese in here and pop this right into the oven. All right, so as you guys can see, I've mixed in some green beans and also some seasonings, which was just some oat Creole seasoning. And we're going to go ahead and pour just a little bit of vegetable oil on here. So we want to make sure that the noodles don't dry out. And we're going to put our cheese in and we're going to bop this in the oven. All right, so we went ahead and added a few extra deli slices of cheese. So let's pop this in the oven for about a good 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll come back with the final result.